So now let's see how we can use the invert adjustment layer inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So here I have a picture opened up in the expert mode, and under the layers panel, if I were to go around onto the adjustment layer options, then you can go around and bring in invert as an option. So all it does is it inverts out the image, as you can see, just like this, and then you get a negative version of the picture right here. You can go around onto the opacity because there is no level of effect that you can control from here, but since it's an adjustment layer, you can turn it on and off, of course, but you can also go around onto the opacity section right here and decrease out the level of inversion right here. But since the color is quite inverted, what happens is that the way this works is it decreases, it mixes out the color, so it seems like you are decreasing out, making it a bit more let's say soft or hard over here. You can go around onto the blending modes right here and apply out different effects right here, like darken. As you can see, you can go around and lighten it right here, just like this, as well as with any other adjustment layers. So that is how you can use the invert adjustment layer inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.